Okay, early Saturday night, taking a walk. My friends. Hello, hello, my friends. One of my contractors, family there. Hey, hey. Hello.
Hey, good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, one more week, right? Vlogging.
Yeah, keep on getting pictures.
Yeah.
Are you enjoying? One more week.
Yeah.
I know, Dodong and Mary Jane will ride you.
Yeah.
The four of us.
I'll be there.
Okay?
Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, in 1 week there's a really big party. We're actually renting a tiki restaurant in Dumaguete. Yeah, it's called Tiki Restaurant in Dumaguete. We're renting the whole. Hey man.
Hey.
Yeah, we're renting the whole restaurant. We got here corn. Look at that corn. Yeah, it's really waxy and hard to chew. TikTokers. TikTokers. Hello. Yeah. All the young kids on TikTok or Facebook. Hey. Hello. Walking in Tan High. A lot of dried fish there. Wow. Smell is strong. Woohoo. Yeah, so gonna do a turnaround up here. Go home and load some content. Onto YouTube. Yeah, about turn. Close, eh? Lady almost got tapped. Hey, whole family in there. Very bad. Gadgets.
Oh, here, Rahi.
All right.
Village, Ora.
What do we got here? All right. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Look at all the produce. All right, heading home. You're finally on my YouTube. You're on my YouTube now. That's it. And there's Rappin' Nuts. Hey, Rappin' Nuts. Old Bridge Road. Old Bridge Road. The old bridge is up there. Okay, cheers from Tanjay.